guys, I'm Beth, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I'm doing dry ice experiments. We'll start with the crystal ball. To start, you'll need a glass bowl with about 3 cups of warm water, a small bowl with water and dish soap, maybe like 2 decently sized squirts, just so it makes a nice bubble. You'll need elastic or a shoestring, and obviously dry ice. It's important to remember that you need to handle dry ice with parental supervision, and you either use thick, like gardening gloves or tongs, just so you don't touch it, because it could seriously hurt you. It's kind of dangerous, but super fun. What you're supposed to do with this experiment, which I did not look up originally, which is why I'm messing up so much, is take your soapy water, run that on the rim of your bowl, then you use your elastic or shoestring and stretch the bubble solution over the top. Then it'll create this bubble that gets bigger and bigger from all the built up pressure from all this gas being released, and eventually it'll pop in one magnificent explosion. Get my bubble to work. It looks super cool, and as you can see, it started lower in the bowl, but now it's starting to work its way up to the top, and it stretched, I think, maybe 3 to 4 inches tall. It's pretty cool. So, yeah. Now it's time for the sublimating experiment. This one's super cool because it essentially defines dry ice for you. You want to set a piece of dry ice next to an ice cube on your counter or a plate, then make a hypothesis of what you think they're going to do over the next hour. Go ahead and just leave it be and do the other experiments as you wait for this, and then come back after an hour and see what happens. I'm going to tell you in just a minute right after we do this quick experiment. So I got bored waiting for this experiment, so I wanted to show you one more as we wait. Go ahead and fill a cup, preferably plastic, just so you don't accidentally break a glass one. Fill it up with apple juice and put like 2 to 3 decent sized chunks in there, and it will carbonate the apple juice and make fizzy apple juice. My parents personally didn't like this because it reminded them of spoiled apple juice, because this is apparently what it tastes like. But once the dry ice is all melted, you can drink it and it's perfectly safe. I wanted to try a few little clips of the dry ice under my macro lens, which is super cool. I actually got this for my phone off of Amazon for Christmas one year. It's super neat, and it gets really cool close-up shots like this one. And here's another of the smoking bubbles. If you were curious, it's okay if your apple juice looks like that, it's just the dry ice freezing it. Now for the DIY fog machine. I actually found this one in a little pamphlet that they were setting out next to the dry ice at the grocery store. It says to fill a metal bowl halfway with hot water. Then you want to stick big chunks of dry ice in there, and it goes crazy and fills your room with carbon dioxide, which is what we're seeing here. It's super fun. You just gotta be very careful when you walk, because any movement stirs it up and it disappears. So that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.